Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and welcome back to another cooking video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my steak and my ingredients that I use. It's gonna be a short video. I hope you like it. I hope you try it at home and tell me what you think about it. So here I have my steak. It's already washed, it's clean, and here I have an onion, I have garlic, and I have fresh cilantro. In my country, from Uganda, we call it cornmeal. So I have a blender here, my small blender, and you're gonna need a chopping board and a knife. So let's go ahead and start. What we're gonna do, we're gonna chop our onion. Gonna chop it into some, small pieces. So after I'm done chopping my onions, I'm gonna put them in my blender. And then I'm gonna go ahead and chop my garlic into small pieces. And then I'm gonna put it too in the blender too. And I'm gonna put my fresh cilantro in the blender still. So I'm done blending my ingredients, the garlic, the fresh cilantro, and the onions. This is how it looks like. And then I have here my beef. So before I put my ingredients in my steak, I'm gonna salt it first. I'm gonna use salt, and I'm gonna salt my beef very well. And I realized there is some water that I come out. Let's take out the water. So salt it very nice. And then when you're done with the salt, so you're gonna apply your paste. And then mix it very well. See, so it looks like this. Oops, sorry. You're gonna cover it and let it settle for like 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in our oven. Yeah, keep watching. So guys, my steak has been sitting here for like 1 hour and a half. As you can see it, I've been covering it. And then so I'm gonna get my tray and put on some olive oil. Okay, so I'm gonna have some olive oil on my tray, and then I'm gonna get my steak. It has been sitting here for like 1.5 hours. Just gonna get it and put it on a tray, just like that. And then the other piece, I'm also gonna get it and put it on a tray. So I'm gonna put it in my toaster oven for like 30 minutes, and I'm gonna set the temperature at 450. Yeah, I'm gonna come back and I show you. Keep watching. Guys, this is how my food looks like. This is how my steak looks like. I hope you try out this recipe and you tell me what you think about it. So, and you can eat it with whatever you want. And this is gonna be my dinner. I hope you try it out and tell me what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and you tell me what you think about this recipe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.